Okay.
This is your first adjustment. First adjustment. So one thing I noticed, you know how you see how his head's tilted? That means his atlas is out on this side, and also he's like shorter, which also lets me know that. So I'm just applying like a gentle pressure right here, straight up back out. Has he had any trouble breastfeeding at all or no? No? Okay, good. Hi, bud. Yeah. Hi. Oh, God bless you. God bless you.
Could be. Most
Oh,
likely is.
goodness.
That's what you said?
Come here, let's check your little onesie. So,
Okay, so
what
like
I'm
right
going to do
here.
is
Well, where it's really smart.
can you
It's not moving this way?
well, I just need to unstrap his little onesie
Here's like.
to check his, I'm going to check his sacrum too.
He likes you.
Hey, bud. Hey, little Teddy. Hi, Teddy. All right, come here. I'm gonna put you over this way, okay? Flip this up.
Common through the holiday season, people going through stuff like this where it's like, they've got
Right.
a lot of
That looks good.
Yeah. Put two and two together.
I know. I had to work the whole
Good job. Good job. His pelvis was a little bit off on the right side.
Oh.
Yeah.
Actually, I'll go face down.
And then this just helps to allow all of the cranial bones to start molding.
Oh.
How's that feel? How's that feel? Are you smiling at Mama?
This is
Almost.
told you, today's your day.
Not quite there yet, huh?
He smiles when he's about to spit up. Not quite, but he wants to smile when you smile at him. He's working on it.
Yeah. You got these pretty blue eyes. Yeah. Good adjustment, buddy. Good adjustment. Can you give me a high five? Nice job. Nice job. All right, he's all set.